Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use PayPal on AliExpress. So paying on AliExpress with PayPal is simple, but it's only available in certain regions. First of all, go to your cart and proceed to checkout page. Next, under the payment methods, you have to select PayPal. And AliExpress tells me that I will be redirected to PayPal to complete the payment process. So confirm the transaction, and once you complete it, you will return to AliExpress and see your order confirmation. So that's basically how you can use your PayPal to pay for AliExpress order. And also, if anything goes wrong with your order, you can always open a dispute to get your refund. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.